everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. In today's episode, we are doing an unboxing, and we're doing Target unboxing. Yes, that's right. I got two beauty boxes. Actually, there was two available for April. There was the beauty box and I believe the natural beauty box. Anyway, they were both $7 a piece. I will link the information down below. I'm not sure if they're still available, but they should be. Well, depends how good they are, because if they're a real good box, they don't last too long. So let's get started. Let's start with this box. And I got myself a knife. Yeah. So my scissors were like super big. Anyway, we're gonna start out with this one, and cute little flowers on there. So let's see which one's better. What do you think? So April showers is the theme. April showers bring me flowers, do they? And it is a purple card and orange. Ooh, orange paper. So it's nice. And this one comes with a $3 off coupon, but it doesn't have the it just has a regular scan. It doesn't have it has the regular UPC type of coupon. It doesn't have the scan, what is it, the Q something, but you know what I'm talking about. I'll show you the next one. So let's get started. I didn't make any sense, did I? This coupon you can use at the register. The other coupon, I believe you scan it on your phone, I believe. Oh, so that's what this box looks like. Let's see. So we get a Dove Refresh and Care dry shampoo. I'm not too fond of dry shampoos. I don't have like oily hair. I'd have to not wash my hair for like 2 weeks for it to get that oily. So this is a dry shampoo. I'll either give it to my daughter or I'll put it in a giveaway. And there's no prices on these, right? No. Do you really need to? I mean, I have to do is look it up on Target's website. So this is Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray. So these are cute. I like these. I put these in my gym bag, so you don't have to carry bulk. So these are great. I love this one. This is the one I actually use. Ooh. This one smells good. I use the solid. I don't use that, but that's good for the gym bag. Oh, and we also get some Crest 3D White toothpaste. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's actually good to throw in your suitcase. Your suitcase or your gym bag as well. And then we have some, I don't know if I'm too keen on this one. So you get foil packets. And you'll get, let's see, what do we get? We got Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. That's one foil packet there. I'm not too fond of foil packets in these things. And then this is Soap and Glory Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches with Puffy's Technology Cucumber Fruit Juice Extract. So you know, with these, they always highlight these because people will try to take these back for some money. The Mask Force beauty masks have, so that's, I think I got this in one from Walgreens. I bought a Soap and Glory box. I'll share that with you later in a different video. And then we got Bliss, that's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads. You get one pad, dude. One, really? Come on. One pad? You could have at least thrown in a couple of these. That's the next one. For $7, was this worth $7 this month? I'm not sure. I don't even think. How much are these? $1.50? Let's just say 2 a piece. 2 for $5, and then some foil packets. Yeah, that was a bust. So let's try out this box next. And this is the natural. I'm assuming this one is the natural beauty box only because of you got the honeycomb on here. But then again, you know what happens when you assume. So let's see if I can make an ass of myself. It's not hard to do. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so Au Natural Beauty. Yeah, see, so there's that card. Oh no, this one came with the regular UPC code as well for $3 off your $15 or more. And I always forget to use them, so hopefully this time I use it. So it says, no doubt natural products have found their spot on the beauty shelf, but snagging eco-conscious versions that are high quality and wallet friendly, not so easy. Thankfully, we scrubbed, brushed, and masked to curate good for you finds that'll make going au natural a breeze. I don't think so, not this one. And won't break the bank. So let's see what we have here. So it has the brown tissue paper. And ooh, oh, okay, I like this box already. Okay, so those are all the finds you have in there. And let's see what comes in this one. So we have African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. Shea Moisture is a very good brand. I like them a lot. Oh, and it's sealed. But we're gonna take the seal off because I will be using this one. Oh, it smells good. And it has a little, let me see if I can show you the inside without squishing it. See, it has little beads. So you can give yourself a scrubby scrub. Blemish for blemish prone skin, okay? Tamarind, so as African Black Soap clarifies oily blemish prone skin. Tamarind extract, and astringent that exfoliates and brightens skin, and tea tree oil gently balances and smooths skin. So there's the back of that. And as you can see, it is a cruelty-free product. So that's terrific. Awesome. So that's one. And then we also get the good stuff. Complete Repair Balm, good for damaged hair. The No Rinse Conditioner. Oh, it smells good. Good, good, good. And it's vegan, and so there you go. I've never heard of this brand, but it's good to know that it's out there. You know, if you're looking for products that are eco-conscious. Love Beauty and Planet. I love this brand. So Love Beauty and Planet. This is a butter. I'm not even being funny. Muru butter and rose. 2-minute magic mask. I couldn't tell you what it smelled like, but they do give you a lot of product in there, so that's good. And I will show you. I couldn't pronounce this here, okay, but that's what it looks like. And then yes, organic coconut oil, yes, vegan, yes, with plant-based detanglers, yes, not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. And that's the back of the product. I wish it would have come in a little, like, something like this, so you can try it out. But Love Beauty and Planet, great product. Another Love Beauty and Planet, coconut water and mimosa flower luscious hydration hand lotion. I'd smell it, but it's sealed. And I'll let it stay sealed because I have a lot of lotions already unsealed and I don't want to use it. So coconut water, mimosa flower. It's a nice size package too. You put this in your purse. I already have one in my purse, but that's a good one. And then we have cedarwood and juniper natural soap with charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. Aromatic and moisture rich soap for face and body. Sometimes you can smell it through the plastic, but no. Nope. So I wonder if it's gonna have that woodsy smell. But that's the bar of soap right there. And last but not least, we get Burt's Bees toothpaste. And it comes with a coupon for $1 off one Burt's Bees adult toothpaste, 4.7 ounces or larger. So that's great. So it comes with a coupon. And it comes in this nice size package. So this is fantastic. I like this box way better than the other. What do you think? Comment down below. Let me know. You know, did you get these boxes? Did you get one or the other? Hoping one would be better than the other one. And they do show you what comes in the boxes before you order them. But I just ordered them so I can show all of you. So like, you don't waste your money. I would prefer, if anything, I would get this box and not the other box. This box was a better deal, I believe, in my opinion. So if you want to go ahead and leave me a comment down below, what did you think of these boxes? Which one did you prefer? Which one of the products did you prefer the best out of all of them? Comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like, because that helps me out a lot, and it also helps recommend my video to others out there that have not heard of me yet. So thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make it go from red to gray, and then as soon as you do that, a little bell will pop up right next to it. So don't forget to hit that so you're notified of all my future videos and live streams as we go along. But you don't have to hit the bell and get all the notifications. You can hit the bell and get some of the notifications. So it's up to you. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Hasta Laterz.